Which nail design do you like? Number 1. This is the second one. This is the third one.
Number 4.